Absolute Veritas Inspection Service. Quality must be verified, not assumed. That's why at Absolute Veritas, our inspection service are built for speed, precision, and complete transparency, empowering you to make confident decisions at every stage of the supply chain. Our inspections follow the AQL, Acceptable Quality Limit, method, a globally recognized statistical sampling system used to determine the number of units to inspect and the maximum acceptable number of defects. You'll receive a detailed inspection report that includes photographic evidence, defect classification, critical, major, minor, packaging review, labeling checks, clear pass or failed status, and delivered within 24 to 72 hours of inspection. In Asia, we can arrange inspections within 48 hours, and we also offers online live inspections on client request. During production inspection, also known as DUPRO, aligned with ISO 28591, DPI is scheduled when 10% to 80% of production is complete. It helps identify defects early, reducing costly delays and rework. Pre-shipment inspection, also known as final random inspection. Based on ANSI ASQZ 1.4 2008, AQL, sampling, PSI is conducted when 100% of goods are produced and at least 80% are packed. It helps prevent costly recalls, protect your brand reputation, and ensure compliance with product standards and customer specs. Container loading supervision. Our inspectors are present during the container loading, verifying packaging, labeling, sealing, and container condition to prevent risks during transportation. Factory audit. Conducted in accordance with ISO 9001, factory audit evaluates infrastructure, process capability, quality control systems, and certifications, ensuring supplier reliability. Social audit. Using globally accepted frameworks like SA 8000, we assess labor practices, workplace safety, and ethical compliance, helping you align with corporate social responsibility and global supply chain ethics. Inspection Plus. At Absolute Veritas, our Inspection Plus services go beyond traditional product checks. We become an extension of your team, your engineer, helping you develop specification sheets, quality control plans, labels, manuals, and packaging details. We act as your quality inspector in the factory, managing production schedules, inspecting materials, and supervising samples from inline to final inspections and shipment. We even carry out construction checks in the laboratory, verifying internal wiring, earthing, and other safety measures to meet certified testing protocols. For critical components, we perform heat and fire safety tests, ensuring fire resistance and protecting you from product liability and field failure. With Inspection Plus, you don't just detect problems, you prevent them early and efficiently. Sourcing. Effective sourcing isn't just about finding a supplier, it's about building a reliable and resilient supply chain. At Absolute Veritas, we provide end-to-end sourcing support, from supplier identification and cost negotiation to production follow-up. We work as your local sourcing partner to verify, manage, and audit suppliers across Asia, including India, China, Vietnam, Thailand, and more. Our process includes strict inspections, audits, and supplier evaluations, minimizing the risk of delivery failures, rejections, and non-compliance. We focus on safe, cost-effective procurement while reducing sourcing risks and improving your go-to-market time. With Absolute Veritas, sourcing becomes smarter, faster, and fully compliant. SEDEX. In today's global market, social responsibility is non-negotiable. Our SEDEX services help you ensure that your supply chain aligns with ethical, legal, and international labor standards. We conduct in-depth assessments at your suppliers' factories, evaluating working conditions, wages, health and safety, working hours, and more. These audits are conducted based on SA 8000, local labor laws, and SEDEX SMETA protocols. Our trained and certified social auditors conduct physical inspections, employee interviews, and document reviews to ensure transparency and accountability. Whether you're working with global retailers or responsible brands, our audits ensure you're not just compliant, you're credible. Countries covered: India, Bangladesh, Cambodia, Malaysia, China, Korea, Pakistan, Taiwan, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Vietnam, Indonesia. With Absolute Veritas, you gain more than just inspection, you gain confidence, control, and credibility at every step of your supply chain. For more information, visit www.avinspect.com. Contact us. Email cas@absoluteveritas.com. WhatsApp or call us on 7303215033. Visit www.avinspect.com for more information.